Hello everyone, I'm Sakibul Ali Khan. Today in this video we are going to solve DVWA brute force section. In this video I'm just solving the low level. So go to DVWA security section, select it low and submit. So our current security level is low. So go to brute force section again. So in here we got a username and password field. So when I put something random alphabet in username and password field and try to log in, so it show me username and password is incorrect. So we are going to brute force to bypass this. For brute forcing, I'm using Burp Suite. So let's open your Burp Suite. So with okay, let's give it time to open. Yes, go to proxy section. On the interception, go to browser again, set up your proxy. I'm using proxy. So in here I give again a random something like it's me and the password is password, sorry, not pass, I'm giving password is pass. So let's enter and go to your password again. It's intercept the request, so right click here and send it to intruder and pop the intercept here. So go to intruder. From this request we select the username and password. So for that, select the username me and add, and again from the password select the value and click here from add. So choose the attack type. I choose cluster bomb because we here do dual brute force. So like first we brute force on admin and second on his password. So go to the payload section. For payload 1, I load username list, and payload 2, I load the password text. Go to the setting, scroll down from crypt match. So remove everything. Not remove, just click on clear button and confirm this. So go to your browser again, select this value. I'm selecting just incorrect. You can select everything, full of the text. Go to your Burp Suite, put the value here, press the add button. From here so I just untick this and start the attack. So I'm using the community version, so it show me a notice. Just click OK and wait for the brute force. Look here, the incorrect is a value, incorrect got a value like 1. So why this? It actually filtering like the incorrect. So when our password and username is incorrect, that time it's show a message your username and password is incorrect. So I'm here just creep or filter the message incorrect. So when the username and password is not match, that time the incorrect message shows and it's creep and show a value is 1. So that means this username and password is incorrect. So in here if you see there is no 1 value, so that means this username and password is correct. That's why in the browser what the response it's not shown the incorrect message. So let's try the username and password. So in here the username is admin and the password is password. So let's go to our browser. In here just stop, untick the proxy to set it default Firefox setting. So username is admin and we got our password is password. So put that and press enter button. See, it's correct. Welcome to password protected area admin. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.